Welcome to today's video about the 10 health benefits of drinking olive oil every day for 7 days. What if I told you that drinking just 1 spoonful of olive oil every day for a week could start transforming your body? Sounds unbelievable, right? But research actually backs this up. In fact, a study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that people who consumed extra virgin olive oil daily as part of their diet had a 30% lower risk of heart disease compared to those on a low-fat diet. In this video, I'll share 10 science-backed benefits you may notice if you start drinking olive oil every day for just 7 days, from glowing skin to sharper focus to improved digestion. And just a quick note before we dive in, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a doctor, so always check with your healthcare provider before making any changes. Olive oil has been called the liquid gold of the Mediterranean diet, and for good reason. For thousands of years, it has been used not only as a staple in cooking, but also as a natural remedy for health and wellness. And modern science backs this up. Harvard researchers have even linked higher olive oil consumption with a reduced risk of early death from major diseases. So, what exactly happens if you drink it every day for 7 days straight? Let's break down the 10 amazing benefits you might notice. Benefit number 1, better digestion. Drinking a spoonful of olive oil can give your digestive system a gentle boost. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food more efficiently. Many people notice less bloating and a lighter feeling after meals when they add olive oil to their routine. It also helps lubricate the digestive tract, which can keep things moving smoothly. In fact, a study published in Nutrition Reviews found that olive oil supports gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. Over just a few days, you might find your stomach feeling calmer and more comfortable. Benefit number 2, reduced inflammation. Olive oil isn't just a healthy fat. It's also packed with powerful compounds like oleocanthal, which works a lot like natural ibuprofen. That means it can help ease inflammation in your body, whether that's from sore joints, muscle aches, or general stiffness. Even though the change may be subtle at first, consistent use can support long-term relief. Inflammation is linked to many chronic conditions, so lowering it is one of the biggest gifts you can give your health. By day 7, you may feel a little less worn down and a little more energized. Benefit number 3, improved skin health. Your skin often reflects what you put into your body, and olive oil is a beauty booster from the inside out. Rich in vitamin E and healthy fats, it helps protect your cells from damage and supports natural hydration. After just a few days, some people notice their skin looking more radiant and refreshed. It can also help reduce dryness, especially if you don't drink enough water during the day. Think of olive oil as food not just for your body, but for your glow as well. Benefit number 4, a gentle detox effect. Your liver is your body's built-in filter, and olive oil gives it some much-needed support. By improving liver function, olive oil helps flush out toxins more effectively. This can leave you feeling lighter, less sluggish, and more energized throughout the day. Some people even notice their skin clearing up as their body detoxifies from the inside. It's a simple and natural way to reset your system without fancy cleanses or expensive supplements. Benefit number 5, balanced cholesterol levels. One of the best-known benefits of olive oil is its support for heart health by helping to balance cholesterol levels. The healthy monounsaturated fats in olive oil can lower harmful LDL cholesterol while increasing HDL, the protective kind. This balance helps keep your blood flowing smoothly and reduces plaque buildup in your arteries. Over time, that means a stronger cardiovascular system and less strain on your heart. Even in just a week, you're giving your body a push toward healthier circulation. Benefit number 6, enhanced brain function. Your brain thrives on healthy fats, and olive oil provides exactly that. By nourishing brain cells with its omega-rich profile, it can help improve focus, memory, and mental clarity. Antioxidants in olive oil also protect against oxidative stress, which plays a role in cognitive decline. Many people describe feeling just a little sharper and more alert when they add it to their diet. Think of it as fuel for your mind as much as for your body. Benefit number 7, stronger immunity. A spoonful of olive oil a day also gives your immune system a helping hand. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, it strengthens your body's defenses against everyday viruses and infections. A British Journal of Nutrition study confirmed olive oil's role in supporting the body's natural immune response. By reducing stress on your cells, olive oil helps them function more effectively in fighting off illness. Over a few days, you may feel more resilient and less run down. It's a small daily ritual with a big impact on how protected you feel. Benefit number 8. Stable blood sugar levels. Olive oil can be surprisingly helpful when it comes to keeping your blood sugar steady. It slows down the absorption of carbohydrates, preventing those sudden spikes and crashes after meals. That means more consistent energy throughout the day instead of the mid-afternoon slump. For anyone who struggles with sugar cravings, this can be a real game changer. A 2015 study in diabetes care showed that meals rich in olive oil lowered blood sugar levels compared to meals with butter. In just a week, you may notice your body feels more balanced and less dependent on quick fixes. Benefit number 9. Weight management support. Even though it's a fat, olive oil can actually support healthy weight management. The healthy fats help you feel full and satisfied, cutting down on unnecessary snacking. It gives your meals staying power, so you don't find yourself reaching for junk food an hour later. Unlike processed oils, it nourishes your body instead of leaving you sluggish. Over 7 days, you may start to notice fewer cravings and a steadier appetite. Benefit number 10. Heart protection. Your heart may be the biggest winner when you add olive oil to your daily routine. It keeps arteries flexible, supports healthy blood pressure, and reduces the risk of dangerous plaque buildup. These small daily benefits add up to long-term heart protection. Even in the short span of a week, you're giving your cardiovascular system a dose of support. Think of olive oil as a shield, protecting your most vital organ one spoonful at a time. How to try it safely. Now, before you run to the kitchen and start chugging olive oil straight from the bottle, let's talk about how to try this safely. First, the amount. Most experts recommend about 1 tablespoon a day. That's enough to give you the benefits without overdoing it. More isn't always better. Too much can cause stomach discomfort or unnecessary calories. Next, the timing. Some people swear by drinking olive oil first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, saying it jumpstarts digestion. Others prefer taking it with a meal, which can also help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins, such as A, D, E, and K, more effectively. Honestly, both work. It really comes down to what feels best for your body. And here's a big one. Quality matters. You want to choose a high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Look for cold-pressed in a dark glass bottle and ideally from a trusted brand. Avoid refined or light olive oils, since they've lost most of the nutrients that make this so powerful. And lastly, keep in mind that olive oil works best as part of a balanced lifestyle. It's not a magic potion, but combined with a healthy diet and exercise, it can absolutely elevate your wellness game. Now I'd love to hear from you. Would you try drinking olive oil daily for a week? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more natural health tips, and share it with a friend who loves discovering easy wellness hacks. And if you'd like to dive deeper into the science, I've added links to the research studies in the description, so feel free to check them out after watching. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.